Alright guys, check out this keyboard I've been rocking, the EPOMAKER TH80 Pro. This thing is seriously sweet. First off, it's a 75% layout, which means it's compact, saving you a ton of desk space, but you're not losing those essential keys. Perfect if you're tight on space or just like a cleaner setup. But here's the real kicker, it's hot swappable. You can literally pop out the switches and put in different ones without any soldering. So if you're not digging the feel of the pre-installed switches, you can easily swap them for your favorites. Huge win for customization. They say it works with Cherry, Gatron, Kale, and a bunch more, so you've got options. And get this, it's tri-mode connectivity. You can go Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, or good old wire Type-C. So it works with pretty much anything, your laptop, desktop, even your phone or tablet. Plus, the 4,000 mAh battery is supposed to last forever, which is a huge plus for wireless. They even say the polling rate goes up to 1000 Hz on 2.4 GHz wireless, which is great for gaming. Now let's talk keycaps. These are PBT, which is what you want. They're super durable, they won't get shiny over time, and the legends won't fade. They're using a dye sublimation process, which is also great for longevity. The profile is MDA, which is kind of like a lower SA profile. So, you get that sculpted feel, but it's not super high, which is nice for typing. They come in this really cool Theory Monet colorway, which looks fantastic. Of course, it wouldn't be a gaming keyboard without RGB, right? The TH80 Pro has a ton of pre-built lighting effects, and you can even customize them with their software. It's super easy to switch between effects, and you can really make it your own. One thing I really appreciate is the knob. It's perfect for volume control, and it just adds a nice touch of premium feel. Overall, the build quality feels really solid. It's got a nice weight to it, and it doesn't feel cheap at all. So, who is this keyboard for? Honestly, I think it's a great option for a lot of people. Gamers will love the responsiveness and customization options. Typists will appreciate the PBT keycaps and comfortable MDA profile. And anyone who wants a clean, compact setup will dig the 75% layout. It's a bit of an investment, but I think it's worth it for the features and quality you're getting. Definitely check it out if you're in the market for a new keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.